This video will explain to you how to use edublogs.org, which is the host for the Lincoln Choir's listening blogs. All students in choir have their own personal blog. Twice a week, we will listen to music and blog about the musical elements we hear. Then create a short and specific paragraph about the music. In order to do this assignment, you must have first your Edublogs username and password. These should have been emailed to you in 3 emails from edublogs.org. If you didn't get them, check your spam email folder as sometimes they go in there. Use the information to log into your account. Do not sign up for your own new blog. Once you're logged in, you'll see this screen. This is called the dashboard, what I call the backstage area of your blog. The public will not see this page, but this is where you're going to do the majority of your work. Before we do anything else, please have a look at the top left corner of your screen. Because your blog is part of the Lincoln Choir's blog account, it first pulls up the master account, Lincoln Choir's listening journal. You have to change this so that you are editing your own blog. If you do not do this, you will not be able to save your own work. Click on My Sites. It'll open a menu. Your blog is the second one down. Click on your blog name, which opens another menu. And from this, click on New Post. This will open a new page on which you can put your listening information. You'll do this every time we do a listening, 1 post per piece. Use the title and performer information provided on listening days to populate your title box. In the main box of your post, this is where you'll type your bullet points as we listen to the piece of music. Refer to the handout about blogging for specifics of what you should be listening for. After we listen, the class will discuss the things we heard in the music. Add anything that you don't have written down to your own list, so you have as much information as possible in your list. After we finish this exercise, you will write your own paragraph. These specifics are also listed in the blog handout. Make sure your work is good and well written following the correct format. Once you're done, scroll to the right side of the page and hit Publish. If you skip this step, we will not be able to see or grade your work. It's now time to go see what your work looks like. Click on the permalink that is now visible. This will show you how the public sees your blog. Part of the blogging experience should involve your own creativity. Make your blog reflect your own tastes by changing its look. No, it's not mandatory, but it will make your work more fun for others to look at and grade. When you click on Customize, a list of editable items will pop up on the left-hand side. You can change the color, font, images used, layout. The possibilities are endless. Remember to save your changes every time you make any. Every 5 blogs, one of your peers in class will grade all 5 of your posts at the same time. The peer grade is the only grade you will receive, so make sure you are staying on top of these assignments. By the end of the year, you will have listened to and blogged about an amazing amount of music. More than that, you will see how your writing has changed and become more specific. Let's get going.